Hey Scratchers, I figured out how to make a clicker game without any variables. It's not very hard. First, let's make first let's make the game. See, that'll work. See, that'll work for that. Let's put this to the middle so it changes size. That, not like bringing it out. Then, for the fun part. Just kidding, of course we're not going to say how. So, remember to not put any music into this, or else it won't work. So, yeah. And change volume by 1. And that is how you make it. And then let's do that wait until. That is how you make a clicker game without any variables. It's pretty bad.